Hi, this is Kelly from Viva Coffee House. As a small business, we're facing the biggest challenge yet in our 3 years of operation. We got through the lockdowns and got behind on some bills, as many businesses did. But now we have the mandates and our customers are losing their jobs. We estimate that 30 to 50% of our customers are facing a job loss because they're standing up for their health freedom. Our sales dropped 40% in a day. As you can imagine, this is very difficult for a small business. And we are trying to help all of our customers who are facing this economic uncertainty. But it also puts us in the position of having to question whether or not we can stay open. But since Viva has become a gathering place and a hub for freedom, we really want to ask for your help in getting through this crisis and staying open. We have fought for Southern Arizona since before last September 15th, when I was falsely arrested for confronting the Pima County Board of Supervisors, who had fraudulently listed us as non-compliant on their wall of shame when we had passed our first inspection. They continued to persecute us. We stood up to them. It's been a hard enough road with all of the COVID mandates and orders and prohibitions, but even harder when your own government is persecuting you. And now we see that the persecution has gone to others, and they're going after everyone eventually. So we need to be here. We need to be a refuge for people. Because of what we went through, we formed FreedomTalk, as you can see the logo behind me, which is bringing truth and virtue back to the public square. We've brought in speakers like Dinesh D'Souza, Ian Smith, Matthew Lohmeier. We've got more coming, more that we've invited. We've started a new publication to help update and inform people. We are doing everything we can in the name of freedom. And we'll keep doing that. But if we have to close this shop, we're not going to be able to do that as well. So we're asking you for some ways that you could help. One is consider donating on this page. Come into Viva and bring your friends. Tell people about us. Bring people who haven't been here before. Purchase our whole beans at the shop because we're roasting our own beans now. Attend Freedom Talk events. This is something we can do to help bring value to you, to bring something meaningful to your life, a chance to meet some remarkable people, and it also helps us. Shop our online store at vivacoffeehouse.com/store. We've got shirts and cups and different things that you can purchase. We've been a major force for standing up in Tucson for your freedom. We have fought for you, we'll continue to fight for you, but now we ask you to fight for us. Because this isn't just about our family or our business. This is about having a place in the community where people can find freedom, come together, and fight back. Thanks for listening.